Yo, what up, YouTube? It's Charles Sapolosson here with Scarface Sap Sap and Wendy Jr. Arceo. I have a trade slash care package from Charles MJ. Got an eBay pickup, and then I got a Frankenstein pickup for my PC. It's the NBA 2000 champions. Start with the eBay.
Don't show the baseball.
I'm not. Got a Metal World Peace jersey card. Number out of 99. Touch like a glare. Huh? It was a glare?
Yeah.
Just do the trade. Save that big one for last, though.
Oh no, those are the $10 I bought.
Which is...
I don't know.
Oh, if you paid for it, I guess just open it.
Yeah, I'll open it.
Just rip it, man. Yeah, a little bitch, man. Dang, how many cards did you get from him?
Alright.
Fly through them.
Start with this. Oh.
From?
Huh? What?
From who?
Who's it from?
Charles MJ23?
You said that already?
I think I did.
I think you didn't.
Yeah, I don't think you did.
Charles Barkley MVP. Missaries. Main stars. Ron Artest. Upper Deck.
Nice.
Ron Artest Ovation. Ron Artest Fleer Ultra. Hot Prospects. And Upper Deck. Finest Foundation Shaq, Century Great
Nice.
Shaq, 96, 97 Fleer
So I don't think you
Ultra,
gave
nope.
Oh, the
Black
black.
Diamond Upper Deck, MVP, $1 Million Moments, oh, All Star, Fleer 96, 97, Upper Deck, oh, Gold 92 Draft Pick, Gold USA, NBA Update, 94, Skybox, Skybox 94, USA, Trademark Move,
Nice.
Skybox, USA, NBA Rookie, Skybox,
Rookie card.
Skybox Best Game,
Nice.
Second Team, All NBA,
That's some nice inserts, man.
Shaq International Skybox, another Skybox, 94, NBA Update, Trademark Move, and MVP Theater. Where's the other one?
How the hell do you open this? Rip that.
Finally.
Oh, did you get that?
Yeah, I did.
What the freak, Charles?
Shaquille O'Neal. I forgot about
Wow.
it. Forgot about this.
Wow.
Forgot about this,
What the
dude.
hell is that?
I forgot. I didn't think it was this big.
You paid $10 for that?
No, for some of the cars, and then this is including it.
Wow.
Dang, I
This
forgot.
is a screw on. This isn't even a man.
Thank you, Charles MJ. Thank you, man. I owe you. I didn't think it was that big. Now time for the care package. Wait, what?
Care package
Just do the one.
Yeah, let's do this one. Alright. Care package. She's here. I heard it.
They're outside.
I told her all I was there.
Rockets. Rockets. Rockets.
Wow, man, you helped with your PC.
Damn, dude. It's a lot of Rocket cards.
Big
Ooh.
ups.
Scott Brooks.
Gold. Oh, and a regular one.
Dang.
Damn, thank you, Charles MJ. Subscribe to him. Scott Brooks. What she got inside?
Yeah,
That's what she said.
that is wrong.
Dude, it's like bigger. It gets bigger and bigger.
Damn.
That's what she said.
Matt Bullard. Oh, look. And thank
Oh.
you.
That's funny.
Thank you, Charles MJ.
Subscribe.
Appreciate that. Look at that. Another gold.
I say rookie.
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
Rockets.
Rockets. Helped me out a lot with my PC, man. Thank you.
Mike Woodson.
Mike Woodson.
You coach for the Knicks.
Yeah,
He is the coach
for the
for the
Knicks.
They still can't believe Jason Kidd, man. It's a little
Jason
hard
Kidd,
to
head
believe.
coach of the Knicks.
There's a big card in the back.
Huh?
There's a big card in
There's
the
a
back.
big card in the back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that Rachel?
Same
See
thing.
it?
The back
I'm
card.
trying to.
Don't look at it.
Hold on.
Don't look
Hold
at
on.
it.
Hold on.
Oh no, it's already covered. But
Oh, okay.
I'll take it out for you and I'll block it with 2 cards.
Alright. Oh, look.
Here.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
I won't look at it though. Don't worry. I won't look at it.
Alright,
Give me
we'll
2
start with
cards.
this.
Give me 2 cards.
We'll start with this.
Corey,
We'll start with this. We'll start with this. Oh, nice.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you. Hakeem Olajuwon. Oh, Hakeem. Nice. Oh, look.
don't get your hopes up too much.
I know. I'm not
So-
trying to. Hakeem. Hakeem.
Nice.
Hakeem.
Charles.
Oh, my God. Thank you.
Flooded.
Thank you, Charles MJ.
Don't worry, working on your care package right
Yeah,
now,
we'll
bro.
get to you, man. Oh, you threw in a shack in there. Oh, oh,
Two of your
Hakeem
PC.
and O'Neal. Thank you, Charles MJ. Subscribe to him. I'll have his link in my description.
Don't look. Why'd you look at me when you said that? Because I always fuck it up.
I'll have your description.
My description. Rocket. Oh, Rockets. Mark Akers. Nice. Damn, dude, that's a lot of freaking.
He took
Rockets.
care of you, man.
Ah, damn, dude. Oh, look at this. Nice. MVP. Emmanuel Davis, Mark Bryant.
Watch, it's just like a regular enter. Open it carefully.
Thank you, Charles MJ.
Last card.
Very last one.
Yeah.
You can move faster, you know that.
Oh!
Oh!
Damn.
Oh!
Joey Dorsey.
Joey.
Damn.
Oh, man. That's
Wow.
Nice.
Is that your first auto?
No.
What's your first auto?
The, I forgot his name.
Oh.
Damn.
Ken Martin?
No.
Is it up there?
Yeah. Jermaine Taylor. The Rockets. Thank you, Charles MJ. Appreciate this, man. I'll get to your care package, man. Don't worry about it. Subscribe to him, YouTube. Alright, YouTube. Damn, dude.